In most cases, while scanning, you don't get to see the version number of some particular services. Now, this could be because of the firewall or the IDS. In my case, I couldn't see the version number of 139, so I'm going to be getting the version number, which in my case is 139. So I'm going to be using Parrot OS for this demonstration, and I've already shown you the service I'm going to be trying to get the version number out of. So let's dive right into it. And please be reminded that this demonstration is for educational purpose only and should be done in your virtual lab. Don't go messing around with this. So what we're going to do is to open up our MSF console. So what I'm going to type is search SMB_version, and we have it. What you're going to type depends on the service you're trying to get the version out of. Now, if this was an FTP, I will be typing FTP_version. But I'm dealing with SMB, so it's SMB_version. What I'm going to type is U0, which is the index number, and fine. I'm going to show options. Okay, we have to set our host, which in my case is 192.168.60.133. And we're going to run. Beautiful. We were able to get the version number of that service, which is number 2.2.1a. I know that many of you out there must already know how to do this, but for those of you who don't know how to do it, I'm glad you learned something. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will know anytime I upload new videos.